Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, Angeles City, Los Angeles, Charis. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan o, oh. Kita mo yung ano to? Mount Arayat. Hello, good morning Mount Arayat. Ayan, diba? Ang day kasi diba kahapon yung first day natin. So, maaga yung flight namin. 11 o'clock yung flight. So, after namin mag-breakfast dito sa hotel, diretso na kami mamaya ng Clark Airport. So, see you in Batanes, guys. So, ayun na nga guys, and it's our second day here in Angeles City, Pampanga, Chares. Dito kasi yung flight papuntang Basco, Batanes from Clark International Airport. And of course, Philippine Airlines lang ang may biyahe papuntang Basco, Batanes galing ng Clark. So, after naming mag-breakfast dito sa hotel, aalis na rin kami agad and then diretso na kami sa airport para makapag-check-in na kasi excited na rin yung dalawa kong kasama. Yung pinag-check-inan pala naming hotel ay malapit lang sa airport. Parang mga 5 to 6 minutes na sa airport na kami. Ganun kabilis yung biyahe. Wala namang pan. Ito pala, bus. Let's go. So, nakapag-check-in na kami and nakuha na namin yung aming ticket today. Ready na kami sa Basco. Handa na ba kayo? Sabi ni Corina Sanchez. And ayun, finally boarding time na. Kaya excited na kami. Hello, Batanes! So ayun na nga, as expected, maliit lang talaga yung eroplano ng PAL na bumabiyahe papuntang Basco, Batanes. Eto na guys, this is it, pansit! Tingnan nyo, ang liit lang din talaga nung eroplano nila. Para lang siyang bus na lumilipad. Kasi dalawahan lang na magkatabi yung upuan. Bale, 4 na rows lang. Pero mahigit 80 yata to. Nasa 70 yung upuan. Medyo madami din. Pero this time, maraming mga bakanting upuan. 20 ako. So, mamaya na ako maglalagay mo.
5,000. Expecting cloudy weather, 8 showers and estimate time arrival should be at time 1 o'clock this afternoon, and be careful for safety. Please do use that seat. As soon as possible to facilitate our departure, keep your seatbelts fastened at all times as you make for unexpected turbulence flight.
Channel I'll be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, Naval and Dash 400 X generation. Please watch your cabin crew in front. The passenger seatbelt push the ends together. Provide that.
Enjoy the rest of the flight, and I would like to thank you for choosing Fly Pan Express, Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Bye-bye.
Window shades open, close secure fasten. We'll be coming around to assist you as we prepare for our arrival.
Ito talaga yung the most exciting part kasi makikita mo yung islands sa itaas. Excuse me nga pala mga guys, no? Pasensyahan na natin yung salamin ng PAL kasi gas-gas na siya sa labas kaya hindi masyadong makita yung view.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Basco. The time now is 44 minutes past the hour of 12 June. The day today is February 20, 2026. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off.
Thank you Lord, we've just landed safe and sound. Andito na kami sa Basco, Batanes. Thank you po. Welcome to Basco. So ayun guys, welcome to Basco, Batanes. Ay, susunduin tayo, di ba? Ni Darla. Ay. Oo. Anong pangalan nung magsusundo sa atin? Patrick. Yeah, it's Patrick. Patrick. Andiyan na yung pangalan mo, nakaano na. May Jim, nakalagay yung pangalan niya. Welcome to Pasco, Mr. Marvin Ryan Carvajal. By the way, may magsusundo nga pala sa amin dito sa airport. And then, pagdating namin sa hotel, after namin mag-lunch, diretso na agad kami sa aming tour for our day 1 here in Batanes. So, may bagahe mo. Nakuha ko na yung bagahe ko. Nasaan na si Mars? Nakuha ko na yung bagahe ko. Wala na. Nakuha mo na yung sa'yo? Ready to go. Let's go. So ayun, at hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating for today's video. See you on our second day in Batanes. Bye!